Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this video, we will discuss about most common bone problem, arthritis. In current situation, there is no one without arthritis. Even young patients are having arthritis problem. So when we say arthritis, there is a swelling in the joint and also pain in the joint. When we touch the joint, there is a tenderness in the joint. Some patients have stiffness of the joint. These are the symptoms of arthritis. Arthritis happens due to several reasons. Like rheumatoid arthritis, there is an inflammation in the joint, which is autoimmune pathology. And osteoarthritis is a wear and tear in the joint. Some skin problem like psoriasis can cause joint problem, which is called psoriatic arthritis. And chemical deposits inside the joint can cause arthritis problem, which is gout. Among these, most common are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. So as I said, rheumatoid arthritis is a immunological problem. Your body recognizes your joint tissue as foreign tissue and start to produce antibodies against that and destroy that cartilage. But most common is osteoarthritis, where there is a wear and tear in the cartilage. It's a degenerative change. The more we use the joint, it becomes arthritic. Along with, there is an inflammation also that causes swelling and redness. So let's see in detail what exactly is osteoarthritis, because this is the most common type of arthritis. Every joint has 2 or 3 bones involved. This is your knee joint, which has 2 bones directly connected. In between the bone, there is a space. Each bone is covered with the cartilage, and there are other soft tissues like ligaments, meniscus are there. So these soft tissues are very, very important for the smooth movement of the bone in the joint. And there is a space in between the joint, and there is minimal fluid normally in between the joint. These are the things helps the joint to move freely without pain and without sound. What happens in osteoarthritis is this cartilage start to get damaged because of the constant wear and tear. When the cartilage get damaged, what happens is the smoothness of the movement get lost. So the patient start to have stiffness and also pain while moving the joint, because the joint start to come lose their joint space. So the bone comes together and rub on each other. So there is a sound and pain while moving the joint. In advanced case, where the bone is just next to each other, the movement would be restricted in arthritis problem. So this main problem is the cartilage issue because of the wear and tear. So this is arthritis. During the next video, we will discuss what are the reasons for arthritis, and in subsequent videos, we will discuss how to prevent arthritis and what are the treatment for arthritis. Thank you for watching.